Alright guys, how about that? This is part two of the previous video I was doing. The camera just stopped recording, but alright. Where we left off was over here. See how the body flexes. Honestly, like I was saying, the car is not made or purposely made to bend sideways like that. It's just gonna run straight back and forth. Alright. That's because also the chassis do tear in the bottom. I'll be showing that in a minute. This right here, how can I explain that? I was having massive headaches, man, trying to figure out how to fix the drive problem over here. Cause I just strapped these down, all right? I actually put a bolts, but it wasn't the best mount. But cause the motor, when you add power to the motor, was actually going like up like that, and it was just like grinding on top of the main gear. That's why I had to print like over like 15, 20 of these until I was like, until I saw it, and I was asking myself like, how can I just keep it in that place so it doesn't go up or like that, both of them. So this is my last print, obviously, and then I created this extra bracket here with bearings over here, so it'll hold it in place so it stays there, and then on this side put in place. So try this no glue here, just put in there, and that was the last time I had to touch that. So now it actually works. All right, let me get my seat. All right, let's see. Look at that. Everything is measured the way to my taste. All right, let's see the underneath the deep part. All right, it's like that. Come on, stay there. All right. Battle scar right there. Other battle scar right there. This is actually two-piece frame because the whole car wouldn't fit on my 3D printer base, so I had to split the model in two. So the black part, that's one of the rear frame, as you can see right there, and then you get the front part right here, and then it's put together with I guess beams. I was just learning. These are the two speed controllers, one control each motor, obviously. Okay, we'll go right there. They tie down. This is an all-wheel drive car. See how thin it is over here? But then it's like long. It's like I guess like a truck hull or a truck frame. That's why it flexes. But underneath is strong. The gear ratio, honestly, I didn't even, well, yeah, I kind of measured it using the, I guess the Pi mat, and I did that months ago. I can't even remember. I got it written down. I'll explain that later. Yeah, that's about it. Here's the gear from the main shaft. There. That's some spider web 1, spider web 2. Mesh there, number probably 12, I don't know. Let's see what else I can throw in here. Yeah, so everything is measured with a caliper, and then on the blender, it actually has I could use what is it, Autodesk Fusion, whatever you pronounce it, but I do 3D model stuff and things like that. I just learned how to use Blender. That's what I use. Look, if it works, why fix it, right? All right. So everything is put in place on purpose. The wheel base. All right. I try to make this car, I guess like a coupe model with like a long hood over here. And then you got the seat. But then because of the Arduino Mini, I couldn't get it right. I had to use the bigger board, the Uno, and it just took a lot of space on the top. And I guess I gotta do like a SUV chassis if I ever do it. I'm just probably leave it like that. Um, Here this was the main idea of the whole car. So I wanted to showcase basically, say you open the hood right here, what you will see is you got the big tires, right? And then you got the differential right here. All right. I actually had a differential, like a real differential. It wasn't working 100% properly because it was too miniature. So I just did this one straight. All right. And then you got the two big motors right there. So like even the size of the vehicle is measured so that, say if it was like a real size car, when you open the hood, if I ever do one, right, you can see those two big motors right there. Like boom. Um, the software is pretty simple. It's basically the antenna codes. You can get that online. I think it's on GitHub. And the servos, it's just like servo codes. All right, you can get down there on the internet. The brushless motors, they work just like, you treat them just like servos, just like servos. It'll go. One detail I learned is when you write the I think it's the map at the high end, you got to put 255. That's like the highest signal the board sends out. Because if you don't, the speaker controllers, they will not arm. So a lot of people get in trouble to get them armed, and that's how you do it. All right. The low end, you can get it whatever number you want to put them, but the high end, it has to finish in 255. That's all the way to the top. All right. Yeah, so I'm go around it real quick before I end the video. All right. There you go. I hope you guys enjoy it. Please comment on the bottom, subscribe. I'll read them. I'll answer everything that I can answer to my best ability and whenever I got time. The STL file, look, I have over 100 pieces or models on my file. So I don't even know if I can put all that together to give it to you guys. It's a lot of work, but yeah. You know what? Let me pause it just right quick. I just took the tire out so you guys can see the model, or you guys can get the idea. It actually works. It's functional. It goes up and down. It just, I don't have like a spring suspension on it. That's why I put that wire underneath it, just to keep it in that place or angle so I can have ground clearance. And then here's the tire. I actually modeled this tire on my own, like the design of it. I actually designed it so like the spokes will actually sticks out a little off the tire. Alright. This right here gives it strength. Alright. Alright, see you guys in the next time. Have a good day, guys.